Okay, and it's the last video of Chapter 4, Isosceles and Equilateral Triangles. We're going to prove theorems about isosceles and equilateral triangles and also apply properties of isosceles and equilateral triangles. So first of all, a few vocabulary terms. Let's take a look at this isosceles triangle here. If I told you that this was congruent to that, then that's an isosceles triangle. The legs of the isosceles triangle are the ones that are congruent. So that would be AB is a leg and BC is a leg. The vertex angle is here, angle B. And the base is the other side that's not congruent to the two here, so that would be AC. And the base angles are the angles that are connected to the base, so that would be angle A and angle C. So those are a few vocab terms. So a couple of theorems here. If two sides of a triangle are congruent, so if I'm told that that's true, then the angles opposite those sides are congruent. So angle B has to be congruent to angle C. Also, if two angles of a triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite those angles are congruent. So here we went this way, and here we're going up this way. So DE has to be congruent to DF. Okay? So a couple of corollaries for that. If a triangle is equilateral, then it is equiangular. So angle A is congruent to angle B is congruent to angle C. If a triangle is equiangular, then it is equilateral. So DE is congruent to DF is congruent to EF. Okay, so let's do a couple of examples down here. So first of all, if I have an equilateral triangle, that means that all the angles are equal. And remember, if all the angles are equal, they have to be 180 divided by 3, which is 60 degrees, which means that 3x plus 15 equals 60 degrees. So if I figure that out, x should equal 15. Now, if it's equiangular, that means that the sides are equal to each other. So 2t plus 1 should equal 4t minus 8. So t would equal 4.5. Now, let's do one more example here. If this is isosceles, this is x. This one also has to be x because it's across from the two congruent sides. So that means that all these three add up to 180 degrees. So x plus 38 equals 180. And if I figured that out, then I would find out that x would equal 71. Okay? And that's about equilateral and isosceles triangles. Thanks for watching.